Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. And this is a mobility van like most of our vehicles. It's got a rear entry, power ramp and door. You can see the door can be operated power here. It's got a manual ramp. I just opened it manually, but you pull this over. Let me set my phone down. This takes two hands. As you can see, the van has the Q-string tie downs. Already installed 4 of them. You can see the seats there. Those are actually the collapsible seats that will fold up on their side. I'll go do one real quick. As you can see, they easily fold up on their sides, creating plenty of room for a wheelchair, so you can get a wheelchair all the way to the front there. Makes it easier to get 2 wheelchairs at a time in, or a gurney, or a stretcher. It's got the cup holders in the rear. Headliner looks great. Got your rear air controls there. And sorry it's a little dark in here. Normally we do this outside. It's pretty bad weather outside right now. I'm gonna go drive it outside, but it's a lot easier to do this inside. Dash looks great. Steering wheel controls. Got your auxiliary port on the dash there. Dual climate control, rear air. Got that nice center console there. Got these leather armrests. So overall, pretty nice van. And when you've got everybody secure, come back out. This is spring assisted. It's relatively easy to do. I can do it with one hand. Fold it back up. Got the electric gate there if you want to use that. If you want to make all these doors in the gate to manual because you're going to use this a lot for, say, a cab service, you can do that with touch of a button. Easy to do. I did want you to notice, looks like probably a previous owner had this. I'm going to guess they hit a curb or something like that. They bent that metal out a little bit, so nothing major, but in all of our videos, we strive to show you exactly what you're getting. I'm not trying to hide anything from you. And that's how we're able to sell so many of these sight unseen. Turn the door off there. That's how we're able to sell so many of these sight unseen, because people know we're shooting them straight by these videos. You can see the doors can close manually very easily. Tinted windows, got the roof rack, nice alloy wheels. All these tires are in fair condition. I'm going to guess about 4 to 5 30-seconds. Certainly not new, but they're not bald either. But they will need replaced, you know, probably within the next 10,000 miles or so. Very clean van though. It's been very well taken care of. Second row of seats are very clean. Front here, all 4 windows roll down. A lot of the Caravans, only 2 of the windows roll down. Show you the VIN number there. We always show you the VIN number. Let me get that to focus. I'm sorry. Here's your VIN number. We always show the VIN number. A lot of people out there doing crazy things. You know, selling vehicles that it's not the actual VIN. Got the power seat. That works just fine. You see the current miles, 88,388 miles. Has your 1 key fob. We can operate all the power doors and the rear trunk hatch with this fob if you like. Passenger seat looks great. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. When I go to turn the van on, fires that first time every time. No check engine lights, no ABS, no airbags, none of that. Let me pop to it so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, 3.6 V6 engine. No signs of any damage. It idles smoothly. It runs strong. This is exactly what we want. This is exactly what we're looking for. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. It does have a little bit of surface rust, but overall you can see that's to be expected. But I don't see anything alarming here. It all looks good. I don't see any signs of any leaks or anything like that. So let me get the van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Before I do that, I've got 3 mechanics that work here. We've tested all the power windows, power mirrors. And this is not some van where you take advantage of our free shipping and it shows up and there's a bunch of problems we didn't tell you about. So I'm not trying to sell perfect vans, but we try to be honest as we possibly can about them. A little tire pressure light came on. We've aired up all the tires, so you usually have to drive these things for 15 minutes before that shuts off. If that doesn't shut off, it might be a tire pressure sensor. Those are usually about $60 to replace. I am not going to replace those at this price if that turns out to be the problem. So if you want us to replace those on your dime or do more research into this, we'll be happy to. It's a van with 88,000 miles. We're selling it for under $20,000. So it's a pretty base van. So let me get it on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure the van is roadworthy. You can see it gets up to about 70 miles an hour. Accelerates nicely. The steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing all over the place. You can see how straight that steering wheel is. I've got the cruise control set, so the cruise works as well. These do have a little bit more road noise, as you might have heard in the acceleration. The reason is they've taken out all the insulation to lower the floors, so you're going to get a little more road noise. You're going to hear a little bit more exhaust. The brand new vans are that way too. It doesn't mean there's something wrong. It just means they have a little bit more noise coming in. When you compare us to the competition, and I welcome that, ask yourself, does the competition have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau like Affordable Mobility Solutions does? Ask yourself, does the competition have great reviews on Google and things people said about them? Please look up their resume on Google. Look up ours as well. Please, again, compare us. What I'm going to do is take a hard exit here, a hard brake at the bottom of this exit so you can see. There's no grinding. There's no squeaking. There's no unusual brake noise. So it brakes nicely. Back to my point of comparing this to the competition. Does the competition have the owner of the company get out and crawl on the ground so you can see what's going on underneath the van? Do they make detailed videos so you know exactly what you're getting? My next point is, do they have the owner selling these vans? I'm the owner. I'm not a used car salesman. If you want to do business with a used car salesman, most of them will probably be working somewhere else in a couple months. They're not really out for you to get the truth. They don't really care if you get a good deal. They just care about that commission check. I care about your repeat business. I care about our reputation. And I care that you get the honest truth and a good deal, and that's why I'm out here making a video. So when you compare us to the competition, it's our prices, it's our reputation, it's our videos. Things that we have that nobody else can compete with. When you combine all those together, we are the best deal in the United States, and again, we offer free shipping in the lower 48 states. So if you need financing, we do have financing available. Please see our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. And if you ever want to give us a call, give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Try the competition. Ask them, tell them you want the owner's cell phone number. Do they care about customer service? Do they care about you getting a good deal enough that you can contact the owner anytime you need to? Ask them, see what they say. Again, another way we stand out from the competition. So if you have any questions, please get in touch with us. If you ever want to come see the van, please always make an appointment. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.